How can I help you?
Well, what the heck is going on? I get a call that there's a package and it's got illegal things in it and my name was used.
Right, miss. Can you verify your name so I can try to pull up your file?
My name is Kimberly.
Kimberly, right?
Yes.
Kimberly
Kimberly Rank.
for your last name?
Rank. W-R-A-N-K.
W-R-A-N-K, right?
Correct. W-R-A-N as in Nancy, K as in kilo.
Hello. Alright. So, Kimberly, thank you so much for your confirmation. My name is Officer Alex Martin. I have your file in front of me, and I can see that in your file that there are 3 allegations under your name. That is money laundering, drug trafficking, and identity theft.
Oh dear. Well, I don't know how that happened.
So, are you aware about it, Kimberly?
No, I'm not aware of it.
Okay. So, do you now? I'm not telling you about this case, but before telling you about this case, man, I just need to verify your home postal code. So, just verify your home postal code.
My home postal code? V9G 1K4.
V9G1K4, right?
Correct.
You are living in British Columbia, right?
Yes, sir.
Alright. So now, Kimberly, as I already told you, there are 3 allegations under your name, and you told me that you are not aware about it, right?
Right, yeah, no, I don't know anything about it.
Alright, so miss, now I'm gonna telling you about this case, but before telling you about this case, I'm telling you that there are 3 federal agencies that are recording and monitoring this call.
I'm sorry, there are what?
That are recording and monitoring this call.
Who is?
There are 3 federal agencies.
3 federal agencies? Which federal agencies?
The Financial Crime Trade, Bureau of Narcotics, and Canyon Security Intelligence Service.
Oh my, I've not heard of any of those.
Okay.
Why are they monitoring this call? Not.
Can you repeat yourself, miss?
I'm sorry?
Can you repeat yourself? What are you saying?
Why are they monitoring this call?
Because as I already told you, there was an investigation going under your name.
Oh. Well, they can stop because I don't have anything to do with it.
Alright, so Kimberly, now I'm telling you, so now Canada Border Services Agency has found and seized 1 parcel which was shipped using Canada Post Service under your name.
How many? How many parcels?
Can you hear me?
I can almost hear you. How many did you say? Go ahead.
Listen to me first, Kimberly. I'm telling you that Canada Border Services Agency has found and seized 1 parcel which was shipped using Canada Post Service under your name.
Oh, at least 1 parcel.
Right.
Oh, okay.
This parcel was scanned. We found controlled drug substances, cash worth more than $54,000, 3 fake driving license, and 2 different social insurance details under your name
Huh.
from different provinces.
Wow. That's crazy. So what? So it wasn't for me. Is it somebody is sending something to me, or this is something that I supposedly sent?
Somebody sent it to you also, and you also sent it to this address, so many addresses linked with your identity.
Oh, somebody's sending me this stuff. Well, I don't want it.
Right.
I don't want it. You can keep it.
You go and fuck yourself, you bitch.
I'm sorry?
Go and fuck yourself, you bitch.
Well, that seems highly inappropriate for a federal agent. Well, that was fun. So I only managed to keep him on the phone for 5 minutes, but that's better than nothing, where he wasn't harassing somebody else who maybe wouldn't have been aware of it. That's it. Have a fantastic day. Take care of yourself. Bye now.